Hey Super Yogis! Welcome to Huntrix Yoga Studio. Are you ready to become strong, flexible, healthy, and powerful like real superheroes? Yoga helps your body and mind grow stronger every single day. Get ready to stretch, breathe, smile, and shine with us. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and join our yoga adventure.
Stretch, breathe, move your body to the beat. Jump, flow, us stronger all the while. Keep the stress and feel alive. Healthy body, super vibe. Energy from head to toes. Watch our inner power glow. Flex, flex, flexibility. Power in our energy. Move fast, breathe slow. Watch our confidence grow. Huntrix team, we never stop. Yoga flow until we pop. Strong mind, strong soul. Super yogis, take control. Oh, stretch, breathe, move your body to the beat. Jump, flow, feel the superpower grow. Yoga heroes, here we go. Flexible and strong, let's go. Huntrix squad, we shine together. Strong and healthy forever. Strong and healthy forever. Oh, oh, super yogi power. Oh, oh, stronger every hour. Huntrix Yoga Studio. Like and subscribe. See you next time. Super yogis. Hey! Huntrix.
Awesome job, Super Yogis! Thank you for joining us today at Huntrix Yoga Studio. You did an amazing job during this yoga session, and you should be very proud of yourself. Every stretch, every pose, and every breath makes you stronger, healthier, and more confident. Keep practicing, keep smiling, and keep shining like true superheroes. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us again for more fun yoga adventures. See you next time, Super Yogis!